Hello, welcome to my channel once again. Please, as you watch this video, please like and subscribe. Here we have a complete pen. As you can see, it's a complete pen. So being cut into half, and the product we have today is a light pen, a writing pen. It's a light inside. That's what we're trying to construct today. Here we have the lead. We have the lead here, and we have the battery. Yeah, this is the battery you can see for now. It's quite big. Yes, that's true. Then as you can see here, we bore a hole where the wire can pass through. So without wasting further of your time, we'll start with the construction. Remember, this is a handmade, 100% legit, trusted and trusted. This is no film trick, this is no effect, 100% legit. So let's go. The pole pass through the wire, the first wire, to the hole. You can see. Just hold on. You can see it. You pass it through the hole. Okay, yes. We bore that to the other side. So we do the same to the second wire. As you can see, this is the second wire right now. We pass it again through the hole. Okay, as you can see, it's out too. So what we do next now, we take in the wire. Okay, so after that, what we do next, we have the half parts that was being cut. They will have our lead. These are lead right here. So what we do next, we have to put the lead inside the hole. The other side, yes. They will have our super glue. We have our super glue here, which you can see very well. Oh, sorry, interruption of the music. We have our super glue right here, right here, right here. Which is our super glue. Original, any type you have, you can do. So now we are trying to bond the super glue with the pen case, which is the cut part. So now we apply it here. Okay. Okay. Now we're being bonded into this thing. Okay, as you can see, applying it. Okay, let me small for it to dry. Now after that, we'll continue for the next constructing. Okay, let it dry. Keep it to the other side while it gets dry. Then we'll bring the other half. Oh yes. Okay, let's do it so long. Let's make it a bit shorter. You can see a bit shorter now. Then remember the other wire on this other side, we'll have to connect it to the other side. I believe it's probably dry now. So yes, it's dry now. We'll have to connect it to the other side. Remember what we've been doing here since. Homemade light pen, not the computer light pen. Yes, like a regular writing pen with a lead in it, which brightens up the night. So let's continue. So we have to write negative should be on negative, positive should be on positive. Okay, now let's go. Let's go. Okay, welcome back. Like I say earlier, you make sure you put your negative at negative terminal and your positive at positive terminal. I will not fully whether the red is the positive terminal. So you can check this with your meter. If you have a meter, then you will get the right terminal. So right now, you apply the red at the positive terminal. Then you make sure it's rotate to avoid electric shock or damage of battery, which is very why you need to have a slow tape by you. So let's cut a piece of it. Okay, I just cut a piece of the solo tape. Now I'm to the tape the positive terminal, as you can see. Now we're going to do it gradually. I know this is compulsory, you have to solo tape it. If not, there will be serious damage with your construction and it might even injure you because it's small battery. Then the other one, just at the other terminal, which is the negative terminal. Okay, you can see. You can see. Okay, doing it, wrapping it, and as well, you see sellotape it again to make it proper. You can see. Okay, let's cut it. Yes, that's nice, that's nice, that's nice. So let's go again, gradually. Wow, I believe this product is going to make sense. It's going to make sense. Okay, now we have to adjust it proper. Now we have to put on this one to the other one so that it's going to clip up. So let's go. Yes, gradually. You can see. Okay, yeah. Let's get the right balance. Okay, we can leave it from here. So right now we have a joint here. To make it proper, Tango also have our sellotape. Now we're about to glue this part to make it more sensible and more meaningful, to avoid dislocation and some other stuff. Okay, let's do it. Beside this fashion. I love this one when I was young. Fashion, colors, and the rest. So let's go. Okay, let's cut some. Okay, now we've glued this part. We're almost through. We are at the final edge of the construction. Remember, and I hope you understand how we got to this particular place. At this point, the pen is still functional. We just added a little construction. Hello, yep, like I said. Okay, now we've sellotape it. It's very nice, it's working, it's functional. So what we're going to do next, we need to cut the wire. The wire look very low. We have to attach the battery right now. You can see this is the battery. I wish I sell smaller battery, it would be more better. Any battery with 3.7 volts we do, and 1200 mAh. Or you can use the battery smaller like that, this one in height, in length, but let it be 3.7 volts. That's the only one that can power this LED. Now we have our scissors here. We're going to cut it short, as you can see. Now let's cut it short. Okay, now I've cut it short. Remember our positive terminal and our negative terminal. Because if you do it the other way around, there will be consequences, and there might be fire, and your work won't be perfect. It won't work again. Okay. Aha. Now we are here. Okay. Now this is our battery. Remember, the red is the positive terminal, and we attach the red at the positive terminal, which is the fellow red. Okay, there you see. Oh yeah. So the wire look a little bit shorter. I'm gonna increase it. Oh yeah. The proper way. The other one. The proper way. So now let's try putting the red terminal. Positive terminal to positive terminal. Okay. Now let's go. Okay. So now let's go. We cut our tape as usual to guide the wire from contact with the container by little fire or damage or explosion of the battery. So now we go. Gotta sellotape it. And remember, due to the size of the battery, that's what we're putting it outside. If you can see a smaller battery that can fit inside the hose of the pen, and at the same time, if it can fit in and at the same time power the LED, you can do that. Sorry, I took the thing out of the camera on the other side. I was a little bit busy, carried away. Okay, now we put the black one in the negative terminal and the negative terminal. Okay. Put it there. Okay. Wind it proper. You also remember to cut your wire. To cut your tape. Sorry for that mistake. Yes. We're almost through. Remember, homemade light pen. Okay, it's already powered. just a little bit touch, few touch. I'm gonna tape it. Gotta tape it neatly to avoid electric shock. So now we gotta couple the pen. That's two. Wow, 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 wow. You're almost through, just a little bit more. Now we have to attach the battery to the pen to avoid the friction, to avoid the battery shaking, that can same time lead to damage of the whole construction. Okay, and remember you can use any lead on this, but this one I see for now. Sorry for the way the camera is. It's a night construction. I have to do this night. Okay, now you can see the pen is glowing. Woo! We did it. As you can see, the pen is glowing very well. As you can see, it's glowing very well. The color I use is a yellow pen. It's glowing. Now I'm about to off the light for confirmation. So you can see it now. It's glowing very properly. It's very fine. At the same time, it writes well. So you can see it. It glows and you can see it writes. Very flexible. You see it? Very nice. So hello, please, as you watch this video, I hope you like it. Please share my video to go wide. Like, subscribe, and also click the notification button so you never miss more videos on my channel. You receive every video that I post. You won't miss anyone. And if you have any comment on any construction of any, I need assistance or help, you can please drop me a message or send me a private email. I will try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Remember, it's the one and only constructor, comedian, and all. Thank you. Welcome to my channel.